This poem is a personification of the nature as an expression of the love I have for them. Oh brother sun, I love you for glowing my days from the farthest heaven where you find repels. Please take back your wavy rays, then show me your smiling ways. Oh brother moon in the sky, please appear all and every night and turn my dark night bright. For whenever you does shine, there is always laughter and a good wine. What about you, my brother little star? You are the one who hits my scar from afar. You are the fair-haired angel of the evening, always shining, sparkling and dazzling. Oh brother wind, as the whistle passed my ears, you caressed my skin and I lost my fears. Now please blow me your breeze, but allow me not to freeze. Flow gently, brother water among your breeze, for I promise I will sing you a song of praise. Flow gently, my mother is asleep by your murmuring stream. Please disturb not her dream. Nothing is more lovely than you, my sister tree. Your leaves are always shimmering and dancing gracefully. Your qualities are excellent, always standing tall and resilient. I also have brothers in the forest, lion, tiger, fox and the rest. You are all beautiful, but wilderness is your home. I wonder why man in his ignorance won't leave you alone. Oh beautiful maidens in the air I see, ostrich, hawk, dove, etc. Please continue to tour the earth gallery, then bring good news even from the galaxies. I love you all, my brothers and sisters.
Yes, that red button, press am to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press am to the get our notification so that I go there among the first person to see our skits. Now if you dey go, thank you.